We got a couple of trades out. One was a false alarm, which we came out break even, and the other one did plus 15 and came back and took us out at entry. Hasn't really materialized, but we did identify that in the dollar at the moment, the dollar's looking particularly strong, in particular the dollar basket, looking like we're moving from cycle 2 into cycle 3. Please do check that out on my personal YouTube channel at MelonsTrade. If you haven't joined already, please do, where we're going over some of these chart patterns that we send out on a daily basis. And it's a nice, relaxed environment to do so. So please join if you haven't done so already. And let's start. So here we go. Let's see what we have. Yesterday we got caught out on USD CAD. We made some money on AUD USD. We did 100 pips on Euro JPY, CAD JPY also. So what we got first? USD CAD. So here we go. USD CAD, really nice pattern. Let's start on the daily, because the daily holds the key to everything. So what we can see on the zoomed out perspective is we're in the second zone of consolidation higher. Check. Okay. Market works in 3, 1, 2, 3. We're expecting a third move higher. So bearing that in mind, we're now looking for an entry. And because this channel is all about harmonic patterns and market cycles, we have lovely harmonics here. This swing here, we can call it AB, is equal to this swing here. CD brings us into a lovely turn. Confluence being the 800 EMA. Look at these candlesticks. This is known as the railway track. If you follow any of Steve Morrow's BTMM, we then pulled away. We've come back and retested it high, low. Market's moving away. Look, we've done 3. 1, 2, 3. Market works in 3. Double top at the minute. It's also done 3 weeks of rise. So it's a real temptation to get stuck into this one. You know, it's what you have to really be disciplined about, is not to just dive into these things. But we have a really nice situation developing, and I'm going to take advantage of it. So within this 1 and 2 cycle, this 1 and this 2, we also have a 1, 2, high, 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 low, high, 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 low. That's cool, because then if we go into the smaller time frame, you can see the low, 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 high. That needs to turn around. We need to get up here, high, 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 low, high, 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 low. Then we can consider it. So we'll leave it up for tomorrow. It's a very nice looking setup. CHF JPY I'm passing because I can see 1, 2, 3 to the high. Market works in 3 pass. Enter DJPY. We sent this one out today, and then I pulled it at even. It just took too long. I am dubious about whether I can identify it. There's 1, there's 2. So there's 2 clear cycles up. 3 may be done already. This 1, 2, 3, even though this 2 hasn't really taken out this 1, it's still part. You know, this is called breaking the structure because we've got a clear candle above the break. So I still see that as a 1, 2. And this internal breakdown, 1, 2, but this was a 1, and then you have a 1, 2, expecting a third, but it's still 1, 2, expecting a third to make 2. Sorry if that sounds confusing, but that's just how it is. EuroCAD, Temptation Island again. One of those real crappy TV programs called Temptation Island, if I remember rightly. This is Temptation Island, was. The only thing for me, as my experience is helping me here, is we're in a level 1 consolidation. We're bang in the middle of the range. Now, you mustn't diddle in the middle, is one of the old lessons I used to learn. And we haven't seen any proper changes of character. Everything's been contained within the wick here in the middle of the range. So pass. AUD JPY, again, squeezing high. We've got cycle 1, cycle 2, or push 1, push 2. Change of internal character here with this move. That's a 1. And an internal 1, 2, not giving us a 3 yet, even though it did here, but we're still within the wick. GBP CHF. I can see a 1, 2, 3 here. So that for me is a warning sign. And I can also see the 3 harmonic in yellow lower. If we then have a look where we are in the bigger picture, we are level 1, level 2 peak, level 1 expecting higher prices potentially. However, to the trained eye, you will still see that we're in lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Downtrend. AED NZD coming into some sort of crescendo. This is a level 1 consolidation to the downside. Notice the higher lows, notice the lower highs. It's coming into a sideways Christmas tree shape. Typically, this will throw a stop up here and then resume lower. Watching with bated breath. Now, here's a wonder setup. For me, I mean, I love this setup. I did usher in a stop to break even, and it came in and hit that after doing 15. It doesn't matter about so much my trades, it's about how you want to run your trades. You don't have to do that. You can continue to run it. You need to have an understanding of the context behind things, though. What we can see here is a 1 and a 2. So we know we've had cycle 2, and we know cycle 3 could either be just a new low, really. It really could be, because we also have here in this leg 1, 2, 3. So zooming in, this is why I took this trade. This is why I sent it out, because it was really attractive. We've got a double bottom, or a W. Remember, V1, V2. So we got first zone of consolidation, second zone of consolidation. We expect higher prices. That is it. It's as easy as that. Maybe not for you guys, but for me, it's as easy as that, because I can see it and I've been doing it long enough. This is a great setup. I will step in tomorrow. Trade is still open. I'm sure people have still got it. Hit 15. I think it's up 10 at the minute. NZD USD. Not sure about this guy. If I pinch myself and look at the cycle, 1, 2, 3 to the low. So we know 3 to the low is done. This could still retest this low. It did throw us a Gartley, A, B, C, D in yellow, 78.6%. Moved up in threes, 1, 2, 3. Has come down so far in 2. This is an Elliott wave setup. Remember, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then an A, B, C. A lot of Elliott wave traders are here at the minute looking at this. A lot of Elliott wave traders don't know how to trade market cycles, and therefore Elliott wave traders are, I'm not going to say anything negative about anyone, but they could be prey here for the market. We shall see. CAD JPY, beautiful ABCD in red. We've had our 100 pips. If we go in and look closer, we've also had a Gartley thrown at us. X, A, B, C, D, double bottom, lower high. Nice move. Harmonic moves here to here. It might give us that here to here. We expect lower prices. Also, prices in a peak formation. So we can notice the pattern 1, 2, 3, and we pass. USD JPY, same thing, 1, 2, 3, peak. Look at the threes in there, 1, 2, 3. These are all harmonic swings lower. Not sure on that, pass. CAD, CHF, massive ABCD in yellow, expecting high prices, looking for continuation, good stuff. GBP, AUD, second cycle higher, level 1, level 2. Never gave me a Gartley to get in. We've taken out this area here. A lot of people I know trade ICT concepts will be onto this one here. This could drag itself all the way back lower to the lows to let me get in. We shall see. GBP, USD, I'm not getting trapped here. Level 1, level 2 on the way down, level 1 on the way up. Trying to show me higher highs and higher lows all the way. It's higher low. I just don't like this rounding ishness in the middle of the zone. It's not attractive to me. Pass. Euro, AUD. Now this is really beautiful because we are trading off the targeted entry in the cycle. So this is really exciting stuff. We're trading off the 50 EMA in the second zone. I've got the red harmonic move, which is this swing here. If my copying system will work, I press it hard enough. Yes, it's the same swing. This is how harmonics work. It brings you into turning points, and you have an A, B equals C, D pattern. 1, 2, 3 up, 1, 2, 3 down. This is one for tomorrow. I'm even going to write that down. So my ones for tomorrow are USD CAD, Euro AUD. They're all bearish patterns. When I say bearish, it means bearish for the economy. So something's going on tomorrow with the markets. We shall see. Euro CHF, this is a wonderful one. The term patterns complete, massive 1, 2, 3 with a 1, 2, 3 thrown in. Massive ABCD, CD leg extended if you look on the weekly. This is a top pattern, top buy and hold for the next 3 to 4 years if it's finished its cycle. Now, in the premium group, we had this as a sell. I did explain in the video it's a bit risky to be selling something that's so close to a peak, but we sold it up here as an ABCD. It worked out really well. We had TP1 plus more. But however, what we have now in our hands is a week of rise, second week of rise. Market works in 3. Notice this little spike up here made the third high, and we've pulled back. So that's a rise drop. It normally leads to a rise the following week. We shall see. Nearly there. AUD CAD. Again, it's done the 1, 2, 3 up, 1, 2 back, Elliott wave situation. Everyone's waiting on this. It is bullish ultimately. For me, I see this as a 1, 2, possibly giving me a third lower. Euro GBP, lows of consolidation 2, expecting higher prices. A, B, C, D is being watched. Gold is also spooling on the targeted entry. This is a second cycle higher trade off the 50. I can see 1, 2, price is held within 2, so it should give us 3 still. AUD, USD. Now this is one of the pairs that I'd love to just ride lower. We've got level 1, level 2, showing lower lows, lower highs. Within that level 2, within this pullback, we had 1, 2, 3. Again, they're all setting up like Elliott wave. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C. When I see this 1, 2, I think so. We'll see how this one plays out. GBP JPY is a peak. Look at the pattern. It's finished. Euro NZD, I want to get in this. This is a trade to, this is the second cycle higher, expecting higher prices, change of character. I want to see a close above here and I'll be getting in. Euro USD, beautiful, higher high, higher low. Higher high, higher low. 1, 2, 3 in the higher low. So the downtrend should be tied. I'm watching carefully. Euro JPY gave us it's not TP1 yet. I think TP1's a few more pips away. But ultimately the pattern's there. It threw us a Gartley. We took it. ADCH, beautiful. If this was the pattern done and we're going up, brilliant. But I still think with my experience, it's going to come down to here. Ultimately, level 1 over the 800, 250, which is where it should be. Level 2 trades off the 50. Level 3 trending off the 50. This is a 3 hits the low. It just doesn't look right. And for me, all I can see is 1, 2, 3 to make 1. 1, 2, 3 to make 2. And we haven't seen that start yet for the third drop lower. There you have it, ladies and gents. If you like this content, please do join the channel. Join our Telegram. All the details are on the MelonsTrade YouTube channel. I do wish you all the best. And yes, catch you up soon. Cheers.